Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax of Greenville, your upstate South Carolina Sea Ray dealer. Today I'm sitting in front of the 2026 Sea Ray 250 Sundeck. This is such a great boat. Tons of room, very versatile for our lake boating, even something you can take down to the coast. This one does have the outboard power with a 300 horsepower Mercury V8. We have the hull side black with a white bottom. This boat has the full wraparound windshield with side entry. It's got the electric folding white water sports tower with integrated bimini. Come around here to the back. This boat has a great entertaining stern. You've got a rear sun pad that converts to a lounge. You have a freshwater washdown, the sea deck on the swim platform. You got the outboard power, which will give you year-round boating without having to winterize. Also superior handling, acceleration, and fuel economy. Coming over here to the side boarding ladder, we have a nice transom walkthrough that makes getting in and out of the boat very easy. Let's climb inside and check out what it has to offer. All right, thanks for joining me inside this boat. Take a look at this bow. I love how it has the side entry, gives you a full wraparound seating bow. Also has a filler cushion if you want to make this a lounge area. Has a dedicated anchor locker with a front boarding ladder as well. I love how they put the cup holders and grab handle with a little pocket for your cell phone into the gunnels on the sides. As you walk through the center windshield, you'll notice you have the air dam door for those cooler days, another pocket storage here, a glove box on top. Your Fusion radio head unit is here, which can also be controlled from the dual Simrad screens. The Simrad screens will also have all your gauges, your GPS, and your chart plotter. This Mercury 300 does have the active trim with digital shift and throttle, very crisp, smooth controls. Another great feature of this with that sidewalk through windshield, you have a huge compartment down here with a vacuum flush head, a sink, and this also has the cushion package if you need to lay down and get out of the sun for a little bit. Again, this is what I was talking about with this versatile layout. Take a look at the wraparound seating. You'll have flip-up bolsters for the captain and co-captain with switchback seats to give you rear-facing lounging seats. This sun pad also flips down to make this one big lounge area. And of course, you've got your transom stereo controls and USB chargers as well. The flooring is a snap-down removable flooring, so it makes cleanup easy. And this boat also comes with a full cover. Would love to show it to you here in person at MarineMax in Greenville. Come by and see us.